The bathroom no longer smells bad, never. It's awesome. Having scented the house has never before been so easy and environmentally friendly. Making a home free freshener of chemicals and customizing it to our liking will only take a few minutes. The problem is that maintaining the hygiene of the bath is very difficult, since filling it with rich aromas takes a lot of time and money, two things that are nowadays scarce. In addition, artificial air fresheners often damage the environment. Nevertheless, there are two very cheap products that, when the combines, generate an excellent aroma and without damaging nature. If you want to know more about this, continue reading, because in this article we will show you everything. How to make a natural air freshener for the bathroom. Thanks to this air freshener made from two natural products, your bathroom will smell great. The best news is that you do not have to leave your entire wallet in the market to buy the air fresheners that are sold, which, in addition to being very expensive, damage the ozone layer. Next, we will teach you how to prepare a natural air freshener. Take note, test it, and say goodbye to the nauseating bath odors. Ingredients: 1. A roll of toilet paper of any kind, no matter the quality. 2. A bottle of essence oils, choose the one you prefer, orange, thyme, lavender, etc. Preparation: 1. Preparing an air freshener in your home is very simple. All you have to do is put about 5 drops of the essential oil of your choice inside the roll of toilet paper, where the cardboard is. 2. The benefit of this is that, in addition to working as a natural air freshener, gives a rich aroma to your toilet paper, so you will also have a scented toilet paper. 3. You can change the aroma of the essential oil so that it does not become so monotonous. You can even put a vase with flowers so that the rich aroma is enhanced. 4. You can also make scented sachets by placing spices such as thyme, cloves, rosemary and or lavender in a small sack, preferably made of tulle. You can decorate them with colorful ties so that, besides giving you a rich aroma,